Can you add a collaborator on Instagram after posting? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the post that you want to add collaborators in. Further, as you can see, this post was made back in September 2024. So, in order to add the collaborator, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. Further, in the menu that appears, tap on the edit option and then select the add collaborators option you see there, right beside your username. Now, tap on the invite collaborators option and then select the individual with whom you want to collaborate. Further, tap on Done, and with this, the collaboration invitation has been sent and the collaborator will be added as soon as they accept the request. So, this is how you can add a collaborator on Instagram after posting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.